What's up, y'all? Big Jake here once again. We got the Lang fired up, cooking on it at even a little hotter than I normally do. This says about 330 right here on the gauge, and we're gonna be cooking on the top rack today, which will probably get us at a temp of around 350, because on these Langs they cook a little hotter on the top rack. What we're gonna make today is some chicken quarters, just some basic chicken quarters with some Big Jake's dang old rub on the chicken. Let's get it started, y'all. All right, here's what the chicken quarters look like, and these have been rubbed down with my Big Jake's dang old rub. I'm not giving you the recipe on this one, but if you'd like to buy some, I sell a quart of Big Jake's dang old rub for 30 bucks, plus whatever the shipping may be to wherever you live. Hit me up and we can work something out. These were done overnight. One thing I would say and let you know is I peeled the skin back and put some rub on the underneath because you get more flavor that way. Once again, this is gonna go on the top rack, not the bottom of the Lang. So I actually took the bottom racks out because there's really no reason to get all the chicken drippings onto your bottom rack and then have to clean it all up. So, yeah. We're going for an internal temperature of 165 in the thigh. So I'm not even gonna put a probe in or anything. I'm just gonna check them about I'll check them in 30 minutes and see where they're at, and then we'll kind of judge from there how much longer we're gonna go. All right, we'll be back. All right, 30 minutes in. Barbecue gauge is reading at 350. So we are cooking hot, probably about 370, somewhere around there. Check out the chicken, y'all. Give it a flip. All right, well, I'll let all this cook a little bit longer. We'll check it in 10 minutes, see where it's at. All right, we'll be back. All right, 5 minutes later, we're gonna check those little ones because they were right around 165. I don't want to overcook them. Just wanted to crisp the skin up a little bit more. Get some nice color on them. Oh yeah. Yeah, these little ones are done for sure. Looks like they all might be done. So yeah, these are all done. These basically took 40 minutes to cook, right around 350. So yeah, let's take them off. All right, let's cut into this bad boy here. See what we got, nice and tender and juicy on there. I know I always say that on the videos. It's the truth, y'all. Oh yeah. Check out the skin. Skin's crispy. Piece on there. Oh yeah, that's great. Got smoke flavor, nice spice from the rub. And that was 40 minutes on the Lang at about average temp of, I'd say, probably 360. So yeah, thanks for watching, y'all. Big Jake, OD, I'm out.